We are. Oh wow, and I'm catching it. The orb and everything. High flyer and the orb. April 23rd, 2018. Full zoom. Nice. 7:57 p.m. And let's go over the barn. Headed towards the south. We got a low flyer, high and flying semi-high. So we could call him, technically that's a high flyer. Small single engine high flyer. And moon's moving right along. Moving right along it is. Still don't see that blue orb that I normally see right there. But anyway, we're going to go back to this one. If I can get it again. It was just there. There it is. Alright, let's see if I can get it caught on the tripod. There it is. Alright, we'll watch this one for a moment. See if it's changing color. Yep. Sure is. Sure as rain. It's coming down. Look at that. It's like a pulse almost in a way. It's like, I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty odd if you ask me. Not an expert, but wow. Pretty incredible. Sky's still nice and blue. Alright, I'm gonna save some for the rest of the night. Okay everybody, have a good one. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoy this. Find this maybe interesting, intriguing. Or you guys might be just laughing going, this guy I don't know, I know what this is. Well, if you guys do, leave me a message. Give me a comment. Let me know if you know this. It's facing west. We're in Central Valley, California. And it's right above, if you were to go, it's a palm length and a half above the horizon where the sun sets. So I don't know. I don't see this being a planet the way it's changing the colors. And I don't believe it's a star either, because there's too much light in the sky for it to be a star. So what could it be? Do we have a second moon that we don't know about? Or who knows? Maybe it's just a planet that is closer, but why would it change colors like that? See, now it's red. Now it's fading. Now it's almost blue. Now it's changing almost white. Now it's going right back to almost red again. Alright. Everybody have a good one. Peace out.